Hi, I'm Ray Miller with Audio Advisor. Today I'm excited to tell you about the Record Doctor 5 record cleaning machine. Now, Audio Advisor has been a trusted name in audio for over 40 years, and we're committed to giving you the best listening experience possible. The Record Doctor 5 is a great example of this dedication to amazing sound and value. 25 years ago, Audio Advisor acquired the Record Doctor brand. It has evolved through 5 generations, with each version improving on the last. This 5th generation of the Record Doctor is quieter, better ventilated, and does a better job of cleaning than all its predecessors. The Record Doctor is the least expensive vacuum-powered LP cleaning machine on the market. Stay tuned, I'll explain how we've managed to keep the price so low. If you're a vinyl enthusiast, I don't have to tell you that dirty records don't sound great. Cleaning them by hand is a tedious process and often results in just moving much of the dirt and gunk round and round inside the grooves. That's why we recommend a vacuum cleaning machine for all your LPs. Vacuum cleaning with a proper fluid sucks the dust, dirt, and grime away, so your LPs sound and are pristine. You'll hear your music as the artist intended without all that extra noise. As an extra bonus, a clean record also extends the life of your phono cartridge stylus and makes your LPs more valuable too. Inside the Record Doctor machine, you'll find a precision vacuum motor and cleaning strip, comparable to much more expensive machines. This powerful combination ensures thorough cleaning of every groove. A large storage tank inside makes fluid disposal easy. The Record Doctor 5 uses a plush cleaning brush, soft sweeper strips, and a non-alcoholic cleaning fluid, all included with the machine. This combination is safe and effective for all types of vinyl records. Just how good is the Record Doctor at cleaning? In the AnalogPlanet.com Vinyl Review Journal, Michael Fremer reported, "I highly recommend the Record Doctor 5 to any serious vinyl fan who's been without a vacuum machine. It's a worthy investment for your LP collection." Using the Record Doctor 5 is simple. Apply the cleaning fluid, spread it evenly with the brush, flip the LP over, and then let the vacuum do its work. In just a minute, your records will be pristine and sound great. In many cases, far better than you thought possible. Earlier, I promised to tell you how we keep the price of the Record Doctor 5 so low. Well, we've kept the price low by eliminating the motorized spinning feature found in more expensive cleaners. You'll manually turn the record, saving hundreds of dollars that you can spend to buy more albums. Our Record Doctor 5 package includes the cleaning machine, fluid applicator brush, 4 ounces of special non-alcohol cleaning solution, and the record turner. Everything you need to clean dozens and dozens of LPs. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more content. Find the product link below. For questions, visit audioadvisor.com or call 1-800-942-0220 for expert advice. Happy listening, and keep those records clean.